everybody. So we haven't been filming anything lately. We came straight from vacation in Florida to my dad having a few issues and not feeling so great. Well, the not feeling so great turned into a long process of a 13-day hospital stay thus far. Today's day 13, so I'm looking a little hospital rough, okay? So excuse the bad hair. But anywho, I haven't been filming. I've taken a few pictures, things like that. He wound up with them putting in a stint. He had a rather large blockage. There were 2 areas within that blockage that had to be stented, so the doctor was actually able to use one long stent to put in there. He does have another large blockage area. They're going to do it on Tuesday, the 18th of June. It has several spots in that area, and it also has hardening. So the way they described it to me is with the last one, they had to do a little bit of drilling in order to get that stent in there so it would fit nicely. This one is going to be more complex. There's going to be more drilling, and it's probably going to require, well, not probably, it is going to require multiple stents. We just don't know until they get in there how many they're going to wind up doing. But anywho, it's been a long 13 days. We are at the Madisonville Hospital Baptist Deaconess, and they've been super great with Dad, so I can't complain. I've stayed here every night. The recliner's not the most comfortable, but it's not that bad actually. And they've been so nice to even ask if I need anything while I've been here. So it's been a good stay, you know. It's just been a long one, and you know, there's been some bad days where I think they called it like hospital delirium. So there's been some pretty tough days, but they're getting better. So hopefully they're going to transport him from here to a rehab, and then he'll have his next surgery on the 18th, which is just a few days away from now. Today is I think it's the 13th, so about 5 days he'll be back. So he may get to go to rehab for a few days and then come back, have the other portion done, and then depending on how well that goes is, you know, when we'll know if he goes home or not. So anyway, I just want to give you guys a little update on what's been going on. I'm going to do just a short video of my day today, and you'll see I don't have everything videoed from the whole stay, but there is a food truck today. So instead of eating hospital food, I am going to hit up the food truck, and I'll take you guys on that journey along with me, and go from there. But yeah, it should be a good day. He's actually up and getting a bath today, so that's a good thing. All right, y'all, I'll see you shortly. So I was able to get out of there for today while he's getting his bath and everything. He's not been letting me leave. So I just walked up here from the hospital. There's a little playground area, and I'll just let you look at this. It's actually pretty cool. So if you're having a long hospital stay and you have kids, this is a good place to bring them. Yeah, and it was a nice just to get out of there and take a little walk in the fresh air. But there's a few picnic tables, things around the area that I'll kind of take you around and show you. Yeah, like, hospitals are not good places, especially if you have children. So if you have something like this where the kiddos can get away for a minute and come and play, or even like me, I just needed to get away for a minute. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to just let y'all follow along with me. And yeah, it's a really pretty area actually. Oh look, I didn't even know this pond was back here. So look at that. I wish I could have just been out here walking this. It looks like a little trail that can be walked, and I'm thinking maybe doctors and nurses, because there goes a staff member from the hospital walking there. I didn't even know this was back here. Daddy hasn't wanted me to leave at all. I've been the one talking to all the doctors and nurses and everything, and he's not wanting me to leave. But I wish I had seen this earlier and maybe snuck away for a minute. Here's a nice little area to sit. So if you're ever in the hospital in Madisonville, Kentucky at Deaconess, if you just need to get away from the hospital for a little bit, here you go. I'm not sure what that building is there. It might be where well, he's still standing over there, so this says Baptist Health Memorial Garden. All right. So I'm going to take a little walk, and if I come across anything, I'll bring you back with me. So I'm on the other side of the little pond now, and that is just a little restroom area there. There's some porta potties in there. So if you were to be out here on the trail and needed to go to the restroom real quick, there you go. So this little sign says station number 2. I guess I should go on the other way and go all the way around, but it says Fit Trail. So you can do hamstring stretches here. So they may bring patients out here maybe and walk them. I'm not real sure, but good to know. Of course, you know I'm going about the trail backwards. So here is station 1, and it is for the calf stretch. So you can just take a little break right here and stretch your calves before you head on about your way. So now I'm at the beginning of the trail. Okay, so I started in the very middle at the playground, and then I saw an employee walk in, so I just decided to walk, and naturally I came up the wrong way, backwards. But anyway, it is a fit trail, and it lets you know all the different areas from start to finish of the trail that you can actually stop and do a little, you know, fitness training. So anywho, I'm probably not going to do it because they were just bathing Daddy, so I'm needing to get back upstairs before he misses me too much. I mean, it's nice to be missed, but lordy, I just needed a little break. So, and it's beautiful out here today, y'all. It's a little warm, but it's gorgeous. So that is the hospital where Daddy is. He's on the 3rd floor. So that's where I'm going to be headed back to. And like I said, I won't take the video in there because that might be against some kind of policy or something. But like I said, I took a few pictures of Daddy, and I'll probably have those posted within this video. But I just thought, you know, why not? I'm sitting here hanging out today, so let's just do a quick little video and let you guys know exactly why we haven't been doing food reviews or camping lately. I have a couple cute little things set up. I mean, you know, it's nothing major, but look at these running shoes. You reckon they were left here by Forrest Gump? I don't know, but they're pretty big running shoes. Yeah, it may have been Forrest trying to run away from this hospital. Not that it's a bad one, because it's a good one. Just nobody ever wants to be in the hospital. So this is the hospital where Daddy is. And like I said, he's on the 3rd floor, the cardiac floor. And it is Baptist Health Deaconess, and it's in Madisonville, Kentucky. And like I said, they've taken very good care of him, so I've not had any complaints with that. But I'm gonna walk over to this food truck that they have over here, see what we can come up with. So here's the food truck I was telling you guys about. It's Chef Jamie's. You can follow them on Facebook, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can get to you. Okay guys, so I just came from the food truck. It is Chef Jamie's, and Lisa and Chef Jamie were awesome. They were so kind and so sweet, and they go to a lot of different places, so you guys check them out, follow them. They are on Facebook. I can give you their information. Listen, I almost said information, but anyway, they were very kind. I'm gonna go in here with this food. I'll let you see what it is, take a bite, and let you know all about it. It looks scrumptious, I'll just tell you that. And now we're headed back into the hospital. So Daddy's probably up there looking out the window. I'd say they've had plenty of time to get his back done. So he's probably up there watching outside. But stay tuned for more. So this is level 3 where Daddy is. And I'm just gonna take you around the corner and see what's going on. So I just turned the corner. Daddy has the end hall, and looky who I see.
What are you doing?
Have you had your bath?
Huh?
Did you have a good bath?
Shoot, you see?
You looking sharp there.
See my hair all slicked back.
I see it. You look good. You want to tell all of our followers and friends hello? They've been watching. Say hello and give them a wave. Did you hear me?
Huh?
Say hello to everybody. They're looking at you and watching you.
Hello to everybody.
All right, y'all. That's my daddy. So I'm going to get off here for a minute and I'm going to show y'all some nachos. Yummy, yummy. I don't have my
So
tripod.
That's my pappy.
That's my pappy. That's right.
Dive deep and come up dry. He said he did right off that way. He said,
I'm so glad, y'all, that he's feeling better. We got one stint down and one more to go, right? He doesn't hear real well, so if he doesn't answer, y'all know why.
one down, one to go.
He did hear me. He just wasn't answering me. Anyway, he's a hoot. So I'm gonna get off here and I'm gonna bring y'all back and show y'all these nachos. Okay, y'all, take a look at these. This is called the Bad Bandit Buffalo Chicken Nachos. And let me tell you, they look amazing. If you like buffalo sauce, a little bit of heat, you're gonna love these. I did ask for extra queso and guacamole, and look at this chicken, y'all. It's cooked to perfection, and I've already taken a bite, and it's just as juicy and tender as it gets. I don't have my tripod, so I can't really turn this thing around and let y'all see me eating it, but I can tell you right now I'm chewing it, and it's amazing. And look, yes, I'm eating with my fingers, but I'm gonna get a fork, I promise. Finger looking good, all gone. Okay, I'll let you know what I think. Oh, let me show you something else real quick. Y'all gotta take a look at this. Salted caramel brownie. And there's, follow us on Facebook, y'all, at Chef Jamie's Food Truck. Be sure to look them up. I just followed them myself, but y'all gotta take a look at this brownie. Holy shamoles, look at that. And I'm gonna tell you something. Look who's not supposed to have it, but was trying to get into it. Oh, he's looking away. He didn't want you guys to see him getting into the brownie. All right, we're gonna see how this is. This is a really good bite, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna get it all in my mouth, but look at that nacho. It's got the queso, it's got the chicken, it has the hot sauce, it has the guacamole, y'all. These are delicious, I will say that. Jamie's, Chef Jamie's Food Truck. Look them up, try them out. Good stuff. Real good. All right, so I'm going to test out this salted caramel brownie and take a bite of it. Don't forget, follow them, Chef Jamie's Food Truck, right there on Facebook. And let's check this one out and see what it's gonna taste like. Okay, so here is the bite. Look at how moist that looks, y'all. And then there's some nuts on top, and she drizzled fresh caramel over the top of it. Whoops, I dropped it, but anyway, here you go. So let's take a bite of this bad boy. That is so good. It was so moist. Like, it's ooey gooey. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole brownie itself is ooey gooey. And then you have the crunch of the nuts on the top, the caramel. Very tasty, y'all. Definitely get the salted caramel brownie when you go. It's tasty.
Oh, me.
What are you doing? Oh, come here. What are you doing? Did you come to see Papa? Give Papa a hug. Do you want to give Papa a hug? So he can feel better? Say, feel better, Papa. Kisses.